Welcome to the Math Quiz for Kids. Are you ready to put your math skills to the test? Let's go. Here's your first question. What is 7 plus 5? Is it 10, 11, or 12? Your time starts now. The correct answer is C, 12. Let's add numbers, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When you add 7 and 5, you get 12th. Question 2. What is 9 plus 3? Is it 10, 12, or 15? Let's find out. The correct answer is B, 12. Let's add numbers 9 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, you'll get 12 inches. Question 3. What is 4 plus 4 equals 8, 10, or 15? Take a guess. Correct answer is A, 8. Let's add numbers 4 and 4. Adding 4 and 4 gives 8. Question 4. What is 15 plus 3? Is it 9, 10, or 18? The correct answer is C, 18. And let's add numbers 15 and 3. 15 plus 3 equals 18. Question 5. What is 10 plus 8? Is it 9, 10, or 18? The correct answer is B, 18. Adding 10 and 8 gives 18. Question 6. What is 5 plus 5? Or is it 9, 10, or 18? Correct answer is 10. Let's add numbers 5 and 5. Adding 5 and 5 gives 10. Question 7. What is 6 plus 5? Is it 11, 2, or 8? Correct answer is 11. Let's add numbers. 6 and 5. Adding 6 and 5 gives 11. Question 8. What is 3 plus 5? Is it 11, 2, or 8? Correct answer is 8. Let's add numbers. 3 and 5. Adding 3 and 5 gives 8. Question 8. What is 9 plus 4? Is it 5, 13, or 8? Correct answer is 13. Let's add numbers 9 and 4. Adding 9 and 4 gives 13. Great job, everyone. How many did you get right? Keep practicing to get even better at math. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you in the next one.